All right, it is Tuesday, April 7th, approximately 12:46 a.m. And we got Big Bertha running. So I went to Lowe's and got the parts needed to get this back in at least running order. And as you can see, we got production right here coming in. Then we got an output hose. I bypassed the safety bubbler for right now. This was just to get it running. And we got our output. So we got to put our cap back on. And right now we're running at about 5 to 7 amps. But it's saturated with sodium hydroxide. So it should take a lot more current than that. We'll turn up the production. Now this is not the most efficient cell at all. It's just one of the toughest and brute force electrolysis. It's about production and current. So there's our production there off of 4 amps. But we'll go ahead and turn up the production to full blast off of this power supply. Yeah, boys. Making some gas now. I wonder how much of that's deuterium and how much of that's tritium.